close. What? April is trying to get a watering can, but she has a surprise in the watering can. Is it heavy?
Yes. It's not small.
Oh, that is a cool watering can. And there's the watering can. That's like an old, is it a gasoline can?
Maybe gasoline. Ready?
Oh. Hit it. See if you hit the end of it. He's playing possum. Oh. Oh!
Is he dead? He's not dead.
Hit it. Let's see if he moves. Yeah, he's not dead. Oh! Oh!
Oh my gosh!
Where is he going?
He's coming your way. Back in the room.
Back in the room?
Yeah.
He went under there?
He went under there. He's gone.
Oh my god.
Watering can. We win.
We win the watering can. Let's see. Be proud of your picking.
What's in there?
A family?
Maybe.
Uh-uh.
I don't know. There's something there.
Uh-uh.
I want out.
I went out.
I don't want him in between me and the door anymore. What's in there?
Oh, I don't know. A treasure.
Stabby, stabby. Well, a nest.
A nest?
He nested in there.
Oh, he took stuff in there.
So he probably. I wonder if he had things in it. Shower.
Oh, the end of the watering. The. Ew. Ew. Oh, April really wanted that bad.
Well, this is your daughter.
What?
You said bleach. I don't want it.
Oh, I thought you wanted it. It's for me?
Yes.
That's so kind.
I would chase possums.
I feel the love and the friendship. Wow, that was some nest.
Yes.
He wasn't going anywhere.
Now I know why he didn't want to. Alright.
How funny.
So now,
Who wins?
we win. Oh,
And look, win-win. There's all her treasures.